Shop till you drop. These malls are huge, you'll need a map to escape. We found the biggest and baddest ones based on size. Asia dominates, thanks to cheap land and labor. Bring your wallet and comfy shoes. Number 6. West Edmonton Mall. Are you ready to get your shop on, North American style? Then you need to check out the West Edmonton Mall in Alberta, Canada. This mammoth mall was the biggest shopping center in the world for over 20 years and is still the largest in the Americas. So, what's inside this retail wonderland? Only 800 stores and services. But that's not all. They've also got the biggest indoor amusement park in the world. You can ride roller coasters, play carnival games, and stuff your face with cotton candy all under one roof. And if that's not enough, they've also got the largest indoor water park in the world. So go ahead and make a splash, because you won't find anything bigger or wetter. But wait, there's more! The West Edmonton Mall has an ice palace. And if ice skating isn't your thing, they've also got an 18-hole miniature golf course, a movie theater, and a bowling alley. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your wallet, bring your swimsuit, and get ready for a day of non-stop fun and shopping. Just don't blame us when you're broke and your stomach is full of funnel cake. Number 5. Dubai Mall. Get ready to have your mind blown by the Dubai Mall, a shopping experience so huge, it's practically a city in its own right. We're talking Burj Khalifa-sized people. At over 12 million square feet, this mall is bigger than 50 soccer fields. That's enough room to house a whole herd of camels. With more than 1,200 shops, you could easily get lost here for days. And let's not forget the world's largest candy store. You might want to bring a toothbrush. But that's not all. There's also an ice rink to keep you cool, a Sega game center to keep you entertained, and a 5-star hotel to keep you fancy. Feeling peckish? Choose from 120 restaurants and cafes to satisfy your hunger. And if you're still not convinced, the mall also boasts one of the largest aquariums in the world. Who needs the ocean when you have the Dubai Mall? So come on down and get ready to shop till you drop, or until your feet give out, whichever comes first. Number 4. SM Mall of Asia. Hold onto your shopping bags and put on your ice skates because the SM Mall of Asia in Metro Manila, the Philippines, is the ultimate adventure land for mallgoers. Opened in 2006, this monster mall has 4 buildings that are so interconnected you might need a GPS to navigate through them. And forget about walking, hop aboard the 20-seater tram to explore this retail wonderland. But wait, there's more! You won't want to miss the IMAX theater with one of the biggest 3D screens in the world. It's so big, you'll feel like you're in the movie. And if that's not enough excitement for you, strap on your skates and hit the Olympic-sized ice skating rink. Whether you're a graceful figure skater or a rough-and-tumble ice hockey player, this rink has got you covered. So come on down to SM Mall of Asia and get ready for the time of your life. Number 3. CentralWorld. If you're looking for a shopping experience that's hotter than a Bangkok street food stall, then look no further than CentralWorld. Opened way back in 1990, this mall is the biggest in all of Thailand. And don't let its middle-class marketing fool you, this place has got everything you need to live like a high roller. But it hasn't always been smooth sailing for CentralWorld. Back in May, things got a little too hot to handle when anti-government protesters set the place on fire. The flames raged for 2 days, and even the Zen department store couldn't handle the heat and collapsed in the inferno. But you can't keep a good mall down. After months of repairs, CentralWorld is back and better than ever. With 80% of its retail space open for business, you'll be able to shop till you drop, or until the next round of protests. So come on down and see why CentralWorld is Thailand's hottest mall in more ways than one. Number 2. Golden Resources Mall. Get ready to go for gold at the Golden Resources Mall in China, the shopping destination that's 1.5 times the size of the mighty Mall of America. But even a giant mall can have its problems. Despite the developer's estimate of 50,000 daily shoppers, the actual number was far from impressive. We're talking as few as 20 in an hour. That's less than the number of pandas in a zoo. What went wrong? Well, for starters, the prices were sky high. Even the richest Chinese had trouble affording them. And let's not forget the mall's inconvenient location outside the heart of Beijing. But hey, at least the mall size is impressive, right? So come on down to the Golden Resources Mall and see what all the fuss is about. And the number one biggest mall in the world is, drum roll please, New South China Mall. New South China Mall in Dongguan, China, the world's largest mall based on gross leasable area. It's got everything, 7 zones modeled after international cities, an indoor-outdoor roller coaster, and even a replica of the Arc de Triomphe. But there's just one tiny problem: the mall is emptier than a dumpling without any filling. Since opening in 2005, the mall has struggled to attract customers, with over 99% of its stores sitting vacant. It's like a ghost town, but in mall form. The only signs of life are a few Western fast food chains near the entrance. Maybe they should start serving ghost-shaped nuggets to fit the theme. All in all, the New South China Mall is a must-see for anyone who loves feeling like they're in a post-apocalyptic wasteland. Thanks for watching.